Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the compiler so VS Code can build code. Open the integrated terminal and run G++ version or Clang version. Make sure the command returns a version. Once done, install the Microsoft C/C++ extension and reload VS Code, then open your project folder so configuration files live with source. Next, create a VS Code folder and add empty tasks, JSON and launch. JSON files. This gets you ready to define a concrete build and run process immediately. Now you configure the middle steps that actually build and start your program. Edit tasks. JSON to run G++ std equals C++17G $file, $file $name $file base name no extension, and mark it as a build task. Then make launch. JSON call that pre-launch task and set program to $file $name $file base name no extension. Choose integrated terminal or external terminal depending on input needs. Also open CC. Finish by building and running. Press Ctrl+Shift+B to build, then F5 to launch the debugger or run the produced executable in the terminal to inspect a stdout. Make sure the program path and launch. JSON matches the generated file, and that G was included for breakpoints. If you see errors like command not found or permission denied, check path and file permissions and disable interfering antivirus. If issues persist, run the G++ command manually in terminal to view raw errors and update tasks. JSON to match that working command.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.